Alright, picture this. You're a small business owner in Nigeria, hustling hard, pouring your heart and soul into your venture. You know you need to get your finances organized, but the thought of spreadsheets and manual calculations makes your head spin. You've heard about QuickBooks, that magical software everyone talks about, but how much is it really going to set you back? Is it even worth it? If that question has kept you up at night, you're in the right place. Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the often confusing, sometimes frustrating, but ultimately crucial topic of QuickBooks pricing in Nigeria. Let's be real. Navigating software costs in a market like ours can be a bit like trying to find your way through a bustling Lagos market during rush hour. Overwhelming. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down, step by step, so you can make an informed decision and finally get your business finances in order. Before we jump into the numbers, let's address the elephant in the room. Why QuickBooks in the first place? Why not just stick to those trusty spreadsheets or, dare I say, the good old-fashioned ledger book? Well, in today's digital age, efficiency and accuracy are king. QuickBooks offers a centralized platform for managing everything from invoicing and expenses to inventory and payroll. It saves you time, reduces errors, and gives you real-time insights into your business's financial health. Think about it. Instead of spending hours manually reconciling bank statements, you could be focusing on growing your business, building relationships with customers, or even taking a well-deserved break. QuickBooks automates many of the tedious tasks associated with accounting, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the pricing. Here's where things can get a little tricky. QuickBooks pricing in Nigeria isn't as straightforward as it might be in other countries. You're not going to find a single fixed price list. Instead, you'll encounter a few different factors that influence the final cost. First, we need to understand that QuickBooks is primarily sold through authorized resellers and partners in Nigeria. This means that pricing can vary depending on the specific reseller you choose. You might find different offers and packages from different vendors. This means it is essential to do your research before purchasing. Secondly, the type of QuickBooks product you need will significantly impact the price. QuickBooks offers a range of products tailored to different business sizes and needs. Let's take a look at some of the most common options. QuickBooks Online. This is a cloud-based version of QuickBooks, which means you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. It's often favored by small businesses and startups due to its flexibility and affordability. QuickBooks Online typically involves a monthly or annual subscription fee. The exact cost will depend on the plan you choose, such as Simple Start, Essentials, or Plus, each offering different features and user limits. QuickBooks Desktop. This is a traditional, installed software version of QuickBooks. It's often preferred by businesses that require more advanced features or have specific industry requirements. QuickBooks Desktop usually involves a one-time purchase fee, but you may also need to pay for annual updates or support. QuickBooks Enterprise. This is the most robust and feature-rich version of QuickBooks, designed for larger businesses with complex accounting needs. It offers advanced inventory management, reporting, and customization options. QuickBooks Enterprise typically involves a higher upfront cost and ongoing maintenance fees. Now, let's talk about the actual numbers. While I can't give you an exact price list, because, as we mentioned, it varies, I can provide you with some general guidelines. For QuickBooks Online, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few thousand naira per month for the basic plan to tens of thousands of naira per month for the more advanced plans. QuickBooks Desktop and Enterprise will typically involve a larger upfront investment, potentially ranging from hundreds of thousands of naira to millions, depending on the specific version and features you need. It's important to note that these are just estimates. The actual price you pay will depend on several factors, including the specific QuickBooks product you choose, the number of users you need, the features and add-ons you require, the reseller you purchase from, any applicable taxes or fees. So, how do you find the best deal? Here are a few tips. Shop around. Get quotes from multiple authorized resellers and partners. Compare prices and packages to find the best value for your money. Consider your needs. Don't pay for features you don't need. Evaluate your business's specific requirements and choose a QuickBooks product that meets those needs without breaking the bank. Look for discounts and promotions. Many resellers offer discounts or promotions, especially for new customers. Keep an eye out for these deals to save money. Factor in training and support. Consider the cost of training and support. Some resellers may offer free or discounted training, while others may charge extra. Consider long-term cost. Think about the long-term costs. For example, online versions have monthly fees. Desktop versions can incur costs with upgrades. Beyond the initial purchase price, there are a few other costs to consider. For example, you may need to pay for data migration if you're switching from another accounting system. You may also need to pay for ongoing support or maintenance, especially if you choose QuickBooks Desktop or Enterprise. Remember, the best way to determine the exact cost of QuickBooks for your business is to contact authorized resellers and partners in Nigeria. They can provide you with personalized quotes and help you choose the right product for your needs. Do not hesitate to ask questions. Be sure to explain your business needs clearly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.